Trevor, you do not look like you are anywhere near Stoneleigh. Where the heck are you?
No, I'm not, Jim. I'm quite far. Well, about an hour away. We're actually at the Donington Historic Festival.
Oh, lovely.
And at the moment, we've just finished a parade lap with the cars.
Lovely.
This is the Cannon-U.K.C.O.G you can see at the top there.
Yeah.
And then this is our stand right on the top of the hill here.
Lovely. Well, bring us over to the stand. Show us a few of the wonderful vehicles that we've got at the show.
Okay, will do.
Recognize the red one.
Yeah, unfortunately, had to come along with me. But there we go. I think the guys are just having a cup of coffee.
Lovely. Well,
yeah. This is really weird, Jim, because a couple of guys are actually watching this live, so I'm getting an echo. So it's really, really strange.
Yeah, no worries at all. No worries at all.
Matt, do you want to just tell us a little bit about your car? No? No, not at all? Are you sure? Yeah? Okay, fair enough.
Well, how about if you just tell us a bit about his car? Like what model it is and a few details.
Okay, well, I think it's a Manchester-style scaffolding. Whereas this one over here is the scaffolding is from Sheffield. So they what they do is they nick it off building sites, and then they try and build a car. Which, in actual fact, they've done not a bad thing, really. Dave, would you just tell us a little bit about your car? Yeah.
It's got feelings, you know. It's a Rocket from N.W.K.C.O.G Sports Cars at Nottingham. 2-litre black top, 4-focus engine in it.
Okay.
2017. Took 2 years to build.
2 years.
Thanks to Paul and Liam helping me.
2 years to build, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations on that. That's lovely.
Okay. They are a really beautiful car. The way that the front end is curved. This is is this the Mark II?
Yeah, it is.
And that's the Mark I. It's the first one that came out. So there's slight advancements in design. So this is a 2-litre black top.
Yeah.
Standard engine, Dave?
Yeah, standard engine out and up to it. 15-inch wheels.
Right. It's strange the array of different kit cars you can get these days.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then we've got in actual fact, I've just spotted someone, a friend of ours, Jim. He's with us today, and hang on. Oh, there he is.
Who is that?
That's Teddy.
He gets
Teddy. He gets about a bit, doesn't he? Teddy?
He does. Yeah.
And this is a wicked setup, as you can see.
Yeah.
So we've got a Teardrop caravan on the back of a Hunter V8. Jan, would you like to tell us a little bit about your car?
All-in Hunter V8 was actually built in the year 2000. I bought it for 2 years. I'm really enjoying it. I've done about 8,000 miles in 2 years. No problem.
Brilliant. It's a really classic look. But the thing is with Ken, or Fozzie as we know him, he's quite a slow driver, even though it's a V8. And what tends to happen whenever he takes his passengers out, this is what happens.
Yes.
So they don't live very long. He either scares them to death, and he just leaves them there.
Yeah, it didn't quite hit the apex on that last one.
Oh dear me.
Yeah.
And then we've got a couple of Westfields.
See that?
Yeah.
And these are all Northwest Kit Car Owners Group members, are they?
Correct. Yeah. It doesn't matter what kit you've got, what design it is. As long as you have a kit car, you can join the group. And we try and raise funds for a charity, Clare House Hospice.
Yes.
Which is based on the Wirral near Liverpool. And yeah, so I'll tell you a little bit more about this little beauty. Well, in fact, I think I'll let the owner tell us a little bit about this. This is the Cannon Ultima.
No,
And,
it certainly is, isn't it?
The proud owner is this young chap here, Tim Day, and he's going to tell us a little bit about this. Right, you, Tim. Thank you, Tim.
Yeah, look,
Over to you.
It's made by the factory, the Ultima factory in Leicestershire. And then I bought it a couple of years ago and have renovated it somewhat. It's got a 6.3 litre V8 small block Chevy engine in it, and a Porsche 996 Transbox gearbox, and the rest of it is what you see. No ABS, no servo on the brakes, no power steering, no radio.
How many petrol stations to the gallon?
Yes, but well, if you push it, it does 3 miles to the gallon.
About if you push it, it does what?
Well, we got from Nantwich to here, didn't we, on tank full?
Yeah.
3 miles.
About 3 miles to the gallon.
If you push it. Yeah.
Wow.
Otherwise, we can get about 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Jim. I've just been distracted. I've just spotted a little bit of dust.
Yeah, you don't.
Yeah. No.
No.
Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. It is
That's
absolutely
amazing.
beautiful, stunning car.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, it is. But this will actually come into Le Mans Classic with us in about 10 weeks' time.
Well, tell us about that. Le Mans Classic. Is this an annual thing that you at the Northwest Car Owners Group do?
It is. Well, it's biannual. The 24-hour race is annual, and then they do the Classic, which is biannual.
Oh,
So
lovely.
we went in 2018, and then of course we were due to go into 2020. And in 2018 there were 17 of us that went, and we went for a week, and came back absolutely glorious weather, beautiful setting, and the cars, the people getting dressed up. It's very similar to what Goodwood is, but obviously in Le Mans, and the nostalgia, the atmosphere is absolutely fantastic. And we were due to go in 2020, but of course we know what's happened between then and now.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So basically what we've done is postponed it, and this year we're actually going to go to Le Mans Classic, and
We've got a Facebook user who says the Ultima is a nice cruiser.
yeah.
Thanks.
That is one hell of a cruiser, I must admit. Yeah. I think we was actually thinking of converting Ken's Teardrop into a petrol can for him, so he can tow it behind. But yeah, in this year we've got 38 cars and 43 people going to Le Mans Classic, which has taken me quite a bit of time to organise. So yeah, we've got it into 4 groups: Group A, B, and C, and D. Group A go on the 29th, which is the Sunday prior to the weekend of the Classic. And then we're going to spend 3 days in Normandy. And then Group B will be coming over on a Tuesday night, Wednesday night, and meeting us at the campsite. And then we all drive down to Le Mans and to the chateau, and we stay there for another 4 nights and come back on the Monday night, leaving France and coming back into Blighty on the Tuesday morning. So yeah, it's going to be an epic journey, and we're going to have, like I say, 36 or 38 cars at the chateau.
Yeah. That looks like folks are beginning to drop into the stream now. We've got Gary Taylor joining us from Scotland, and
Hi Gary.
Hi folks. I don't know.
Some guy by the name of
see
John from the Northwest Kit Car Owners Group, but his we got him in audio, but well, actually we don't even have him on audio. His link is live, but his mic and his camera are not. So I'm gonna have to send them instructions. I guess John doesn't know how to use the live stream quite yet, but we'll get it figured out.
We are still learning. Hey, and don't forget, Jim, we've got this as well.
Yeah.
We've got Kit Fest coming up.
Yeah. Oh, Kit Fest, absolutely. And I'm looking forward to that keenly. Now that's going to be, just to refresh my memory, that's we know it's at Santa Pod, but is there going to be camping there as well?
Yes, it's an all-weekend affair. So there's going to be camping there, and it's there's no groups such as clubs or anything like that. We're all going to be camping in a field all together, and people are going to congregate towards their flag. But hopefully, we're not. We want an atmosphere which is a festival atmosphere. So we don't want to segregate clubs or anything like that. Just come along, camp up, and then do your bit and enjoy the atmosphere, the smells, the sounds. I mean, it's amazing when you got the top fuel dragsters going down the strip. It just literally rips your body apart. The vibrations go through like anything. I mean, it's just fabulous, and it's a wonderful live event for all kit car enthusiasts.
Fabulous, absolutely fabulous. Now we've seen the Westfield. We see I don't know if there's any tigers there. Could you show us a tiger and tell us a bit about Tiger?
I don't know if there is one here. Oh, hang on a minute. Here we go.
Yeah, I'm interested because you know what? We don't see an awful lot of tigers, and I would like to know a little bit more about them.
Well, I'm not too sure where to start, other than it's run by the Dudley family down in Wiz Beach, and Jim started designing and building the cars in 1989, and built the very first Tiger in 89-90, and this one is a Tiger Super 6, which has been breathed on a little bit.
We'll be going over to GBS in a bit.
Yeah. Well, another Facebook user says, I love to put the 600E gasoline per month in, that's just that euro, in that ultimate instead of driving to business. The cruiser was me, Bry Zab. Oh, Bry Zab, okay, I figured it out now. That makes sense.
Well, when you have a look underneath the bonnet and you see how little area there is, I think you'll be quite surprised that you virtually struggle. Excuse me. You actually struggle to get a 2 litre in there.
Yeah, absolutely.
But this is well, it's not a standard Z-Tech. It's a Z-Tech 2.1, which has been bored out, high compression. It's got 305 cams. It's running around about 12.1 compression ratio, whereas the standard Z-Tech is 9.2.
Wow.
And it's around about 249 brake horsepower at the flywheel. Hence why he's got the 400R written on the side, because power to rate ratio is just 400 brake horsepower power to rate ratio per ton. So it's a little bit rapid.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I've got a wave gearbox, long first, which means that I can get up to 57 miles an hour in first gear. Just shy of 60, which is a shame. But
yeah.
There you go.
Lots of fun.
Yep, absolutely. What more do you want to know?
Well, nothing more. What I'm going to do, if it's all right with you, I'm going to bring in some of our friends into the stream here. So let's see how I can do that by doing this. And I'm just, if you wouldn't mind, just say hi to your good friend John, who's figured it out here. Say hi, John.
Oh, we're unmuted. Hiya, Jim. You all right?
I'm all right.
Hi, John.
Hiya, Trevor.
How you doing? All right.
Now, where are you, John?
I was trying to find Trevor. I've not seen him at Stoneleigh.
Well, yeah, he's gone somewhere close by.
So where are you, Trevor?
I'm over at Donington.
You turned left into the right then, if you're at Donington.
I did, yeah, I did. I'm over at Donington Historic Festival.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
Having fun, yeah?
I am, yes. I'm
Good.
just trying to turn the camera around at the moment somehow. I'm not too sure how to do it. So, here we go.